How do we start a conversation with another human being? Is there like a...
I've got a favorite technique that I use. And it requires courage. So you have been warned. It requires courage. And it's a simple game called Hilo Buffalo. Hilo Buffalo. I love this game. Oh, you're not aware of this. Again, because you haven't played in the world of improv. Hilo Buffalo. High is something that's going great for you. Low, something that's not so great for you. Buffalo, something interesting about you. Now, there's a reason why this game is so great. It's great because if I play Hilo Buffalo and you play Hilo Buffalo, and we'll play it in a second. Are you game to play?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what we're doing is we're creating something called conversational threads. Let's play first. So do you want to go first or do you want me to go first?
You go first.
Okay, sure. Hi, I'm doing the Diary of a CEO podcast. This is pretty awesome. So I love that about this. This is amazing for me. This is a big high for me. Low, I'm really struggling with what is enough in this chapter of my life and how much I should pursue building my business, how much I should grow it. I'm really struggling with that enough component. And something interesting about me is I have 3 alpacas and I live on an acreage.
Gosh, that's crazy. I've got to beat alpacas now.
Don't beat alpacas. Whatever you like.
I've got a dog called Pablo.
Yeah, there you go. You're overthinking it. Don't overthink it. Give it a go.
Hi, I'm really enjoying this conversation and I'm learning a lot,
awesome.
which is amazing. Low, I haven't been working out in the gym as much as I want, and I'm concerned that my balance is off because I'm recording a lot and things are out of whack, and I'm trying to work in the evenings, and that's a struggle trying to squeeze my relationships in there as well. Random interesting thing. I'm training for a marathon that I haven't signed up to yet.
That's incredible. I didn't know you were going to do that. That's incredible.
That's not as good as alpacas.
And definitely wasn't as good as alpacas. However, that's great.
Okay.
When you have the courage to do this with someone now, I've given you 3 conversational threads that you can pull on.
Do you say it to them that we're going to do Hilo Buffalo?
I play this game with people I meet that I want to connect with.
Okay.
This is not if I'm on the bus and I'm talking to someone.
Okay.
No, because that's generally small talk. And if you don't want to connect with the person, it doesn't make sense.
But what if I'm in an elevator or I'm in a social setting, I'm at a networking event?
Well, the game I just gave you is different. The game I gave you is a game that you play with a colleague you've been working with for the last 4 years, but you barely go beyond high.
Okay.
Right? And we'll stick to that, and then I can share with you the other one. But to me, what's powerful about that game we just played is we all have people. The reason people hate their work so much is because they don't feel connected. And it's because they're not having conversations at work. It's because they don't feel a sense of connection with their team members. So to me, when you are courageous enough to play this game, say you've been working with Susan for 12 months, and you always see each other in the lunchroom, but you just sit down with Susan and go, Susan, I know this is a bit crazy. Listen to a guy named Vin on Diary of a CEO. He said, if you want to connect with someone and you care about the connection, play a game called Hilo Buffalo. Are you game? Play. And just do what we just did. Because all of a sudden now, I've given you 3 threads, right? Excited to be here. Also struggling with enough. And then I also shared with you, I've got 3 alpacas, I live on an acreage. There are 3 things that you could choose from, what you're interested in asking me about. You just gave me 3 things. I'm also very conscious about health, and I haven't been that great with it too. So all of a sudden, I've got 3 threads to choose from.
What's the opposite of that?
Did you watch the Mr. Beast? Oh, I haven't. Who's Mr. Beast? Oh, that's cool. All right, I'll see you in the meeting at 2. I'll catch you then. No worries. Because you've taken your shot in the dark and you've given 1 thread and it just didn't hit. Whereas I'm giving myself 3 chances here. I'm giving 3 opportunities for a conversation to spark. But in actuality, there are 6 threads here. Because there's 3 from me, there's 3 from you.
I'm going to roll around the office when I get back to London, and I'm going to ask people for some Hilo Buffalo.
And and because all of a sudden, that requires vulnerability.
Yeah.
That requires something you're excited about. And it's also something interesting you didn't even know. I didn't know you were going for a marathon, man. That's awesome. Right? You should sign off for it.
Yeah. I should, shouldn't I?
What's stopping you?